Hello viewers, welcome to my physics channel. In this video, we will derive expression for electric field at any point due to short electric dipole. So, suppose we have an electric dipole AB. Having dipole moment P. Dipole moment P. Now suppose P is the point at a distance r from the center of dipole. Suppose C is the center of dipole and P is the point at a distance r from center of dipole at which electric field is to be determined. Okay, so now, and this angle is theta, means angle PCB is equal to theta. Now, what is direction of dipole moment? Direction of dipole moment is from negative to positive charge. We know that. So, suppose here we have minus Q and this is plus Q. So, this is direction of dipole moment from A to P. Here we write P. This is direction of dipole moment. So, now we can resolve dipole moment P into rectangular components. So, resolving P into components. We have P cos theta along this CP because it is making angle theta with this CP, and P sin theta perpendicular to CP. So, in this direction we have P cos theta. And perpendicular to this here we have P sin theta, because this P is lying in this quadrant. So, this is direction of P cos theta and this is direction of P sin theta. So, we can say P cos theta is dipole moment of this dipole. Suppose it is A1 B1 and this P sin theta is dipole moment of dipole A2 B2. Okay, so we can say P cos theta is dipole moment of dipole A1 B1 and P sin theta is dipole moment of electric dipole A2 B2. Now, if we see point P lies on axial line of this dipole. Before that, we can say this dipole AB is equivalent to combination of these two dipoles, that is A1 B1 and A2 B2. And now if we see point P lies on axial line of this dipole, means here we have A1 B1, this is A1, this is B1, this is direction of A1 B1, and if we draw this line as it is, here we have P. Now this is dipole, this point P lies on axial line of dipole, and we know that we have derived expression for electric field on axial line of dipole in last video, that is E is equal to 2P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. One more thing is here we have considered short electric dipole, means dipole is of very short length. So this is expression for electric field on axial line of short dipole, let it be E1. So point P lies on axial line of this A1 B1. So suppose E1 is the electric field due to A1 B1. E1 is electric field due to A1 B1. So E1 is equal to, this is the formula for axial line, electric field on axial line. So it is 2. What is value of this dipole moment? P cos theta. 2p cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Distance is r cube. And now what is direction? We know that direction of electric field on axial line of dipole is same as that of dipole moment. So this is direction of dipole moment. So this is direction of electric field. Suppose this point is M. So this is electric field E1. So it is along PM. Along PM. Okay, this is equation 1. Now suppose E2 is electric field. E2 is electric field at P due to A2B2. Due to A2B2. Now if we draw A2B2 here, this point is A2 and here we have B2. And if we draw this line, here is point P. Then we see this point P lies on equatorial line of this dipole because it is perpendicular, na? And we know expression for electric field on equatorial line of dipole. What is this? E is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. And suppose it is written as E2. Okay. So we can say point P lies on equatorial line of A2 B2. So what will be value of E2? E2 is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. What is P here? P is P sin theta. So it is P sin theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. And what is its direction? We know that in case of electric field on equatorial line of dipole, direction of electric field is anti-parallel to dipole moment. So this is direction of dipole moment. So it is anti-parallel. Means this is direction of E2. Okay. Here we can say this is direction of E2. This is direction of dipole moment. So it is E2, anti-parallel. And for axial line, same as is of dipole moment. So along, suppose this point is N. So it is along PN. This is equation 2. Now resultant electric field at P is taken as E. It is vector sum of these two. What is vector sum? E is equal to vector E1 plus vector E2. We can use parallelogram law of vector addition. We know that E is equal to square root of E1 square plus E2 square plus 2 E1 E2 cos theta. Okay, and here E1 is perpendicular to E2. So theta is equal to 90 degree. So cos 90 is 0. So this term will become 0. So what is E? E is equal to square root of E1 square plus E2 square. Okay. So E is equal to square root of E1 square plus E2 square. Now we can put values. E is equal to square root of, what is E1? E1 is 2p cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube whole square plus E2 square. What is E2? P sin theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube whole square. Okay. Now P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube is taken outside and it is common, and here we have square. This square root and square will be cancelled out. In square root we have 2 cos theta whole square that is 4 cos square theta, and in this term sin square theta is left. Now E is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. We can write it as 4 cos square theta is written as 3 cos square theta plus cos square theta, and here we have sin square theta. Now we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So E is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube 3 cos square theta plus 1. This is expression for electric field at any point due to electric dipole, due to short electric dipole. Also, this is magnitude of electric field. Now we can find out direction of electric field. We know that if we find out resultant of these two, direction is always along the diagonal of this parallelogram. So let's complete this parallelogram. Here we have completed this parallelogram, and resultant will be along the diagonal E. And suppose this angle is alpha, means resultant electric field E makes angle alpha with E1. So we can take this triangle, let this point be O. So in triangle PMO, this is 90. In triangle PMO, we can take tangent alpha. What is tangent alpha? Perpendicular upon base. That is this MO upon PM. MO upon PM. What is MO? MO is PM, that is E2. And what is this PM? PM is E1. We can put values. So tangent alpha is equal to E2. What is E2? P sin theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube upon E1, that is 2p cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. This 4 pi epsilon naught r cube is cancelled out. P is also cancelled out. So we get tangent alpha is equal to half of tangent sin theta upon cos theta, that is tangent theta. So if we know this angle, we can find out direction of resultant electric field. So here we have derived expression for electric field at any point due to short electric dipole, and this is expression for direction of resultant electric field. Although we have used the special cases for short electric dipole, means electric field on axial line of dipole, electric field on equatorial line of dipole, even then we can verify this case. Like for axial line, what is this theta? See, this theta is angle between direction of dipole moment and this position vector r. So in this case, this is direction of dipole moment and this is position vector's direction. So what is angle here? 0 degree. So if we take special cases, special case for axial line theta is equal to 0 degree. And what is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. So if we put value here, E axial is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube, and this cos 0 becomes 1. So here we have 3 plus 1, that is 4, and square root of 4 is 2. So this is the expression that we have for axial line. And similarly we can say for equatorial line, means if point lies on equatorial line, what is angle? 90 degree. Let's see how this is 90. Now this is dipole. This is dipole and point P lies on equatorial line. This is direction of dipole moment. This is direction of position vector. This angle is theta, that is 90. cos 90 is 0. So in this expression, this term will become 0. Here we have 1, square root of 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by any number is that number. So we get E equatorial is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. So this is how we derive expression for electric field at any point due to short electric dipole. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then subscribe for more videos.